You know, it's funny because for this campaign, I remember everything until I got on stage. Putiputi Nui o Te Rā, a composition by Derek Lardelli. So Uncle D was given an artist residency. So he went to Gallipoli, to Turkey. His whole family went, and they stayed there for 4 months. And during that time, Whāngārā, the Kapa, had started for the campaign. So he was sending lyrics over from Turkey. And Putiputi Nui o Te Rā in particular is actually, the message and the kōrero behind it is really sad, you know, because it's in relation to the war, to the world wars. And Uncle explained that when he was over there and looking out at the fields where the war happened, and it was just full of flowers that all happened to be yellow. And, you know, there was like a double-edged sword, because not only was it, you know, beautiful and seeing all of these fields of beautiful yellow flowers, but it also, you know, ka maharaia ki te nui o te hunga e mate. You know, so it was sort of both of those things. So Putiputi Nui o Te Rā is about that yellow flower, or those yellow flowers on the fields. That whole song was actually about, you know, ngā hoia. In terms of the rangi, it was my dad, John Tuari, Te Wāta Tamepo, and Paula Anderson. Can I just quickly ring my dad? Oh, let's see. Yeah. Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad. Dad, what was the name, you know, for Putiputi? Putiputi. What was the song that you and Uncle Wally, like, based that one from?
Yeah, no, we made it up. It's an original tune. There was myself, Paula, Wally, and PA. So we started C.
Yeah.
Puti.
What made you go there?
I don't know. We just playing around.
Oh, well.
Puti. Nui o te rā.
Ra. Yeah, that kōrero was beautiful. It was perfect. Thank you. I really needed that. Hi, Mum.
Hi, darling. Okay, love you.
Okay, love you too. That particular Matatini will always have a special place in my heart, because all of us in Whāngārā, he tipuna tō mātou, I haere atu ki te pakanga. You know, Uncle D's dad went to the World War I. So we all have a personal connection. And when you hear the stories behind every item, you know, Putiputi Nui o Te Rā, the fields in which these soldiers battled and died and were left there and buried there.